So yesterday we were reading about true love, and we were talking about St. Paul teachings about the fruits of love. Yes, what the virtues of love should contain. So we were reading. Did we read yesterday? Yes, we did. So we said love is patient, love is kind, love is don't keep on repeating. Hey boys, no. And I'm not teaching you the virtues what St. Paul talked about the virtues of love, because it's for you to go and start talking to the girls using those verses. No, you don't go and start doing things which are ungodly, and you use the St. Paul's teachings about love. How love should be. No, you shouldn't do that, because there is a time we had a case about it. So I don't want history to repeat itself. You should not use these virtues, yes, to get closer to it's a child, another child like you, a girl child like. Yes, it's just about all of you are children. Yes. Why am I calling you a child? And I want you to understand why I call you a child. I call you a child because all of you, everything that you have is your parents. Yes, I usually even tell the girls, ukimwambia nionyeshe suruali ile umenunuliwa na mzazi, naye unamwambia nitakuonyesha ile yangu mzazi amenunua. See? All of you are children. If you know you had your own money, it's different. Basically, why do you talk to them? Because unataka tu kuona suruali yao na wao waone yako. Ni nini? Haufai? Nani? Kai, dear God, Jesus Christ. Wacha nikwambie. So what I'm saying, can you come back to class? We said we learned love is patient. What else is love? Love is what? Raise up your hand and tell me. We read, yes? Yes, it's very kind. It's not jealous. Yes? Yes, it's the greatest gift. It is not. Yes, very good. It's not rude. Not rude. Yes. 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 It is. Yes, it never ends. What is it called? Never ending. The agape love, right?